In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unprivate your X.com or Twitter account in just a few simple steps. If your posts are currently protected, this will make your account public again, so anyone can view your tweets without following you first. This is really useful if you want more reach, more visibility, and a profile that's easier for people to discover. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Now let's get straight into it. First, open X and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. On the left-hand side, look for the More icon, which is the three dots button in the navigation menu. Click that to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and security settings. Once the settings page opens, click Privacy and Safety. That section controls what people can see, how your content is shared, and who can interact with your posts. Next, choose Audience and Tagging. This is the area where X manages whether your posts are protected or public. Inside Audience and Tagging, look for the option that says Protect Your Posts. If that box is checked, your account is private, and only approved followers can see your posts. To unprivate your account, simply uncheck that box. Once you turn it off, your future posts will be public and visible to everyone, and your account will no longer be locked behind follower approval. If you're making your account public for the first time, take a moment to think about whether you want all of your posts to be visible to anyone on the platform. That includes people who may not follow you yet, so it's always a good idea to double-check before saving changes. After unchecking Protect Your Posts, your settings should update automatically. In some cases, X may ask you to confirm a change, so just follow any on-screen prompt if it appears. And that's it. Your X.com or Twitter account is now unprivate. You've successfully switched from a protected account to a public one in only a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.